Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customized gestures, so I left only default double press for the left earbud and press and hold for the left earbud. Another gesture I just changed it. Now let's check it. So, if you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget, I just increase it. If you press one time at your left earbud, you will lower the volume. And as you can see, I also lower the volume. Now, if you press two times on your left or right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2. It works. And if you press 3 times on your left or right earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. It works. Next we have press and hold. If you press and hold on your right earbud, you will play your pause the song. Just press and hold, and I pause the song, press and hold, and I play a song. And the last one, what we have is to swap between ambient sound control. So right here we have ambient sound control, and if you press and hold on it, you will, if you have a normal mode, you will swap to ANC. Oh, sorry, yeah, you should press and hold at the left earbud. And next you swap to transparency mode. And if you, the last third time you'll make it, you'll swap to ANC, because I do not set it in the controls. I do not add a normal mode right here, so if you need it, you just press on it near to the normal mode, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.